to the fourth part of Chapter 9. We're going to be looking at ne que. Remember, ne que means only. It's a really hard one, but it can mix with other negative expressions. And this can get a little complicated. But what you should do when it's mixed with others is think of not as ne que as but or anything but. So, ne plus que, il ne joue plus qu'un rôle secondaire means so it plays, il joue, and then we've got a secondary role here. And then we've got ne plus qu'un. So ne plus is no longer. And then we've got the que. So it's both ne plus and ne que. So we would do that as it no longer plays anything but. The que we could we're going to translate as anything but a secondary role. So we've got two negative expressions, ne plus and ne que, and that'll come out to no longer anything but. Here we have ne jamais que. Il ne joue jamais qu'un rôle secondaire. Again, same thing. Il joue, it plays a secondary role. It never plays anything but a secondary role. So we've got the ne jamais as the never and the ne que as anything but. We can have ne rien and ne que combined. Il ne joue rien qu'un rôle secondaire. So it plays nothing but a secondary role. We can just translate que as but here. And then ne guère que. Il ne joue guère que des rôles secondaires. So ne guère is hardly, and ne que will be anything but. It hardly plays anything but secondary roles. Now these are really tricky because the ne is kind of combined with two negative expressions, and the ne que, which we usually translate as only, is coming up as but or anything but. So here's a bunch of negative expressions. Now this exercise is a really key one, and you might want to come back to this to help review fairly often. So write down translations for all of these, and when you're done, you can move on to the next video.